Hi again. In the previous video, I covered the methods orderBy and orderByDescending, which allow us to sort data in ascending and descending order based on a specified key. In this video, we will delve deeper into the topic and explore two additional sorting methods that come in handy when we need to perform secondary sorting, ThenBy and ThenByDescending. These methods enable us to sort data based on multiple criteria, refining the order established by the orderBy or orderByDescending methods. Let's dive in. ThenBy and ThenByDescending methods are used to specify secondary sorting criteria, when the primary sorting is already defined using orderBy or orderByDescending. In other words, we are allowed to use ThenBy and ThenByDescending methods only after using orderBy or orderByDescending. These methods allow us to further refine the order of our data based on additional keys. This means, we use orderBy and orderByDescending for primary sorting, and we use ThenBy and ThenByDescending for secondary sorting. ThenBy method sorts elements in ascending order based on a specified key, while ThenByDescending method sorts elements in descending order based on a specified key. Both methods work similarly and help us establish a consistent and refined order for our data. Both methods have also two overloads like orderBy and orderByDescending methods. The first overload of both contains only the key, which can be defined using a lambda expression. The syntax of the first overload will be as following. We first have the sequence we want to sort. After that we use either orderBy or orderByDescending. After that we can use ThenBy or ThenByDescending. This means, there are four combinations, what we could have using both methods. orderBy and ThenBy. orderBy and ThenByDescending. orderByDescending and ThenBy. orderByDescending and ThenByDescending. We can also use more than one method to define other keys. For example, the following syntax is to sort the sequence using three keys. The first key is defined in orderBy method. The second key is defined in ThenBy method. And the third key is defined in ThenBy method. We can also add other keys using more methods, ThenBy or ThenByDescending. So, we can use only one orderBy or orderByDescending method, and so many different ThenBy or ThenByDescending methods as we need. This is how to use the methods in general. Let's check an example to understand it better. Consider the following scenario. I have a table consists of 4 columns, and I would like to sort it based on the age and first name columns in ascending order. So, I have two keys which are the two columns, and the sort for both should be in ascending order. Here's how I can achieve this using the following query. First, I specify the sorting sequence in this way, which is the rows of the table. Then, I apply the orderBy function on the age column to sort the table in ascending order. Next, I use the ThenBy function on the first name column to further sort the table in ascending order. To convert the output into a data table format, I utilize the copy-to-data-table function. The resulting table reflects the sorting performed on the age and first name columns in ascending order. Now, let's explore a variation of the sorting process. We will use the same columns but change the sorting order. The age column will be sorted in descending order, while the first name column will maintain the ascending order. For that I can use exact the same query. I only change the orderBy method to orderByDescending method, to sort the table in descending order using the column age. The result is the following table. It's sorted in descending order using age column, and then in ascending order using first name column. Let's check another scenario. Assume I want now to sort the table using 3 columns, age, first name, and salary. Age column in ascending order. First name column in descending order. Salary column in ascending order. To do that I can use the following query. The result will be as following. In this way we can sort a sequence using more than one key, like this example using 3 keys. As you see, I am always using one orderBy or orderByDescending for the first key, and for the other keys I can use so many methods as I need, either ThenBy or ThenByDescending. This was the first overload of both methods. The second overload is also the same like the second overload of orderBy and orderByDescending methods. We use a key and a comparer to sort the data. I will not explain this overload, because it's the same like orderBy and orderByDescending methods. So, you can use the same syntax with a comparer, like string comparer. That's all you have to learn about these methods.